Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Days ago, in this one, since I'm so cozy today, I'd like to invite you to a pamper time with Geri. This will consist of a hair mask with me. I'm gonna be doing today testing of this L'Oreal, I hope you guys can see it, L'Oreal hair mask. I've never tried it before and I'm very curious to see what results it gives to my hair. I also got recently a haircut, but I made a big mistake to actually straighten it because of the humidity. I wanted it to be more straight than it was at the hair salon. The weather conditions really reflect on my hair. It's pretty thick, but also it gets damaged kind of quick, and I also like to treat it. And I think because I've never done any hair mask, I thought that this would be a great opportunity also to give some feedback to you all, how I like the mask and if it does anything good to my hair. And at the same time, I'm gonna be using this fun mask for relaxation and for some moisturizing and detoxifying of my face. So if you guys want to join me, please do so. I also have some champagne here. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is remove whatever makeup I have. I'm going to lay my face before I apply the mask. So without further ado, I'm going to go and remove my makeup. So the makeup is off. I just had some eyeliner and mascara. So now I'm gonna read some of the steps and what this actual mask does. So it says that it's an ever pure floral sheet mask for hair with camellia flowers. So sounds great so far. I'm actually very positive and excited to try it out. And so the first step says, before getting in the shower, open the packet and unfold sheet. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna open it. Wow, this is what it actually looks like, guys. Look at this, very interesting. I hope you all can see. I know that the light can kind of get on the way now. Wow, and it smells great. I love it. I'm guessing I have to put all of them. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that, but yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So the next step says shampoo hair, and so essentially what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna wash my hair, shampoo it, condition it, and rinse it, and then I'm gonna put on the mask and for 5 minutes and then rinse it all off. Okay, so I'm back from my shower. My hair is completely wet, just like it says in the steps. Shampoo, rinse, and after shampooing, twist and wrap hair fully into the cap with flap facing forward. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to be putting this mask on, and I really hope for the best. I'm very excited and I can't wait to see what I'm actually gonna look like. And don't forget, we got a mask too. I hope you have your masks too and you're enjoying yourself just as much as I am. I'm very stoked about it. I'm actually kind of having trouble here a little bit getting it unstuck. Okay, so this is gonna be a little funny, but let's see how it goes. Honestly, I've never imagined how funny and awkward that will look like, but yeah, I didn't do it right. So I'm gonna have my hair on a bun, and I'm gonna try to somehow place this cap without anyone's help on my head. Okay, this looks better. Okay. This looks more like a huge cap for the swimming pool, honestly. Okay, I just want to make sure that the hair is inside. Oh, well, no hair is hanging out. I didn't rip it in the back. Okay, so as you can see, I've sealed it and my hair is all in. And that's how I'm gonna be for 5 minutes. But so now I'm gonna be putting this fun mask. Say goodbye to Tuka, and I'm excited to see this mask. It looks like it's gonna be a fun one. So we're gonna put it, and I think I'm gonna stay about the same time with the mask, the full mask. Okay, this is going to be hilarious right now. I hope I'm able to put it, and it's not really that colorful, you guys can see, but it's still a lot of fun. And here I go, looking like Lala with hair mask, and I also can't really talk that well. Like, yeah, okay. No, I think that's better. Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna be like this for 10 minutes, and yeah, I'm excited for the results, and that looks hilarious, and it's so hard to talk, so alright guys, so I just washed my hair. It looks kind of messy, but honestly, right off the bat when I was washing it, I noticed that it feels a lot smoother and much refreshed, which is a great thing. I do not know, like, after it gets dry how it's gonna be like, but I'm definitely going to show you my hair dry and let you know how it feels the next day. But for now, I have very good impressions, even though. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you the results after using the hair mask. I just wanted some 24 hours to pass in order to give you some feedback on the effect. So I have pretty wavy hair. I actually had it the whole day also in a bun because it's so humid outside. It's so super hot. It's awful. I'm over this heat. So basically my hair feels a lot, I have very thick hair, so you can imagine like masks can do real big magic, but I do feel it softer, and it was not getting so puffy when it's humid outside, which really it makes a big difference for me, because when there's humidity, there's a lot of frizziness on my hair. So this mask definitely did some amazing work on my hair, and I'm very happy that I've tried this mask. So I'm very happy, and I can definitely say that it's much more refreshed, much more smoother for me for now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so. You can give this video a thumbs up. You can check out my other videos, and see you next time.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you